All right, good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is December 2nd, which is a Monday, and it's the very first trading day of this week, which is week 49, and also is the very first trading day of the month, December, right there. And on this Friday, we're gonna have a non-farm payroll release right there. So it's the first week of the month. Every first week of the month on the Friday, we have a non-farm payroll, which is set the tone for the whole month. Right. Um, Last month we have it on. The last release is change. Okay, so the last. Oh, they didn't put the last release. Yeah, I think last release is on the November 1st or November 8th. We have to find out. Let's find out real quick. Yeah, last time we have a non-farm payroll is November 1st, right there. That's the first Friday. So, yeah, here's what we see. Yeah, we have a screenshot how it moving. Yes, expansion right there. Yeah, huge expansion. And then at 10:30 it retrace. Yeah. And then we have a setup right there, which is Taiwan reversal break test from low and reverse right there. It happened at 11:30. Yep. All right, let's see how it's play out this Friday. But anyway, we are in the first week of December. Let's see the set a tone, and today is really high resistant liquidity run. It's a up close. It's a follow up of Friday. Friday is the Black Friday right after Thanksgiving, so it's just half of the day. But it really rally. Oh yeah. By the way, we want to show you something happened on last Friday. Um, we wanted to did a recording on Friday, end of the review, but we couldn't find a time to do that. So let's review a little bit what happened on Friday. So here's the pattern we see on beautiful on last Friday. So basically at 9:30, you see that it's at 9:15 and 9:30 right there. You see 9:30 right, and pay attention to the level at 60.25 and 60.23. 25 is high time frame level, which is the daily time frame, and the 23 is the low time frame, 15 minutes. But you see the 15, 9:15 and 9:30. So it looked like it's gonna be real breakout at these two level, right? You see that it breaks, and then it reverses, so it break. That is the real breakout, right? But the beauty is that at 9:30, you see that is 9:30, right? You see that, but like 30 seconds later, like 30 seconds, it flipped. Actually, 7 minutes later, it start flip right there. Then we have a setup, which is a four breakout at either level at the 25, 23, 60, 25, 23. It a real breakout, but it turned into a four breakout. And the setup for that is the 9:30 got flipped. It break those two level, then you have a beautiful four breakout setup, which is break, reverse, break and reverse. It's very powerful setup. It is a 4 breakout reversal. Maybe we did not categorize, but maybe we call it type 3 right there. Let's look at at 2 types that we trade so far. Here's 2 types of reversal we have, right? Type 1 and type 2 basically is involved with a break and test from above or below, right? On the short and the long, and then it reverse. So that's 2 basic setup for us, type 1 and type 2. Right? Type 2 is test first, break and reverse, break, reverse. But last Friday is give a very strong setup. Whenever you see this setup, go all in, because it's just double break and double reverse right there. It's very strong. And we saw this setup happening in the past also, right? The logic here is very strong, right? It break the level, right, and it reverse, and then it break again. There's just no reason to go back here. The only reason it go back here is gonna be what? It's gonna be a 4 breakout, and the momentum gonna be explosive, and that's exactly happened on Friday. You see that? It's explosive for 3 hours. Is that 3 hours? Yeah, it's from 9:30 until almost 3 hours and a half right there. It's just explosive right there. People just going and buying. The algo keep bring the price up. Yeah, we did see this setup before, so maybe we call it type 3. It don't happen much. Type 1 and type 2 happen very common, but this guy is happen very rare, maybe 5% or 10%. But whenever it happen, the move is so explosive. Let's look what we see in the past. We did document this setup. We saw that we call it double break or double reverse right there. One of the time we see this is the same idea. You see that you see break, reverse, and then break, reverse, and the last break it can become a auto block right there. You see that it moves so explosive, and this one is happened on April 25th. Let's check it out. What's April 25th? What day is that? April 25th this year. So let's look at the calendar to see. April 25th. It's now a Thursday. Wow, that's a good day. And the reversal happened at around 11. So basically, you have a Judah swing at 9:30 right there, and then you have a reversal. Yeah, so it pretty much exactly like last Friday right there. It break, and you see it reverse, right, and then it's break again. But the difference is that this guy also have test from above and break, and then it reverse. But for last Friday, you don't see the test from above. It just reverse. That's even better. It's very strong. Yeah, but either way, you're gonna have a strong move when you see this kind of setup. So we can call it a reversal type 3, right? For type 3. Here's another example right there. This guy is happened on August 22nd, right? What is August 22nd? Hold on. Yeah, here's here another instance that it happened on August 22nd, which is on a Thursday also. Very interesting right there. So you have the same idea set up right there. You have break, and then you have reverse right there, and you have break again, and then this reverse. And then this is also break, and test from below. So this, the same idea. where this guy is break is like 3 times right there, and reverse 1, 2, 3 times. So this is triple break and triple reverse, right? But the same idea. Now at least you have two break move and 2 reverse move. This one gives you another bonus, which is another break and another reverse right there. And another day we have this one is on August 9. It's on Friday, but the same idea right there. You see break and reverse, and then it's break again, and then it's reverse. Double break right there. The same right here. So this type, the reversal type 3 right here is very very rare. Yeah, it does not happen every day, for sure. We observe for last year or so. We document them, and we only see that the most common setup is the type 1 and type 2 right here. See that type 1, type 2 right here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. It got small. Alright, we just make this text look a little bigger. Yeah, so basically you have 2 types right there, and the type that we introduce, one is type 3 right there. And last Friday is a perfect example of type 3 reversal, which is double right here. The double break and double reverse, and the move gonna is explosive. All right, now go into what happened today. So what happened today is the very high resistance liquidity run. And we did try to engage, and we got blow up our account again, and we just got our account back on Friday. We did took a little bit trade on Friday, and we make a little bit profits right there, but the mistake come out from yesterday evening. Right, from yesterday evening we see the short setup, right? Because we anticipate a reversal or retracement. Okay, let's look how it looked like on when it's closed Friday. All right, we see this, so we know that this retracement not finished yet. So it should go and revisit the level 60-40 right there. However, when we have a chance to go to our computer and see how to trade, we can short right away, but we don't have a chance because we couldn't make it right at open 1800. We come a little bit late, and we missed the good entry, and then we go and we chase them, and we pay the price for that. Let's see, we did have a recording. All right, here's the recording last night, right? So the open 18 right there, we short them and aim for the level. What the level we aim? 60-40 right there, high time frame 60-40. 60-40, yeah. 60-45 right here, that level right there. But at the same time right here, we saw I think we short them before that. Yeah, we short them. Oh, okay, so we try to go. Oh, okay, so we try to go long here. The reason we saw is, you see that break and reverse, and that's the reason why we thought, okay, it's gonna be break, right? Test right here and break and reverse, so we go along. but the minute we go long, it turned into this way. So we exit the trade, take a quick loss. All right, you take a quick loss. But we learn our lesson that, even though it looked like a legit setup, but we have to understand where it's going, or where the liquidity gonna draw on. Because if you see that it's gonna go down and hit the 40 level, then don't try to force yourself to go long. Less is flush. Okay, we short right here. All right, perfect. We got test from above. But the trick that we go to the side too big, we don't have patience to sit long. But if we stay patient, if we hit the level 40 right there, right? Look at the recording we have. You see that it did hit the 40 level right there. It go down to 36 also. So it did go down to 36. We aim 29, not go, but it's 36 right there. Yeah, you see that? Nice. We see that we right here. I think we move our stop loss too tight, and yeah, we learn our lesson that when trade in the overnight, very careful because it's not moving much. So if you try to increase the size, make sure you go early and the movement is there. But if not, it's very very hard to trade because it's moved very slow. So basically, I think right here we take a loss. How that happen? Oh, okay. So we move stop loss, and I think it got hit. Is that right? It got hit. Yes. So we take a lot
Order
of
filled.
hit right there, and now we're gonna go too long. Yes. So lesson one is trade overnight extremely careful, do not move much, and also this is the one that we need to work on. We cannot trade with every candle, right? You can, because it fluctuates and it really break our patience or our momentum. We become like a market. We cannot trade a market. We have to trade our setup. That help us to center, help us to stay calm. Otherwise, we fluctuate with very knee reaction to the markets, which is not good. We have to have conviction. You see that? The whole thing right here is just for short, even though it look attractive for break and reverse, right? Break test from up below right here. It did not. Understand liquidity is more important. All right, so we short them, and yeah, we did. And right here, we should take a good profit right there. But like we mentioned before, in the mid overnight markets, it's not gonna move much. You have to take profits. You see right here, we give it back, boom. You see that? Yeah, we give back right there. Because the markets overnight don't move much. It's just back and forth, back and forth. So you have to wait. You see that? And we make mistake here. We try to go along again, and the minute we go along, it go again. That's right there. See that? And you end up, lose this much right there. Our limit loss is 4,500. We already lost half of that. So that really drove us crazy. And this morning we go and we swing right away. We try to get back. That is another blunder, and then we end up, blow up our account again. Just 1 day or 2 days of trading right there. So now we have to wait for the next month. So that's our journey, and it's kind of embarrassment for us to say that, or to expose ourselves, but we have to accept, we are very impulsive, very bad trader, and we try to work every day to improve ourselves. So it is what it is. We have to patient with the process. We have to patient with the market. Let the market bring the setup to us. And above all, we have to patient with ourselves. We cannot just force ourselves. We have to trade our setup, let our setup come to us instead of force ourselves. Yeah. Okay, look what are the recording today. And the market give us some signal right there, you see. So right here, we thought that it's gonna be a Judah swing and they're gonna reverse. That's fine. But you see that at the 930 right there, right? You see at first it down here and it flipped. If this 930 completely a good solid up close candle take out the high, then we can anticipate a Judah swing and then it reverse. But it did not happen. You see that? If it did not happen, then we don't engage short. Right, so right here we didn't take any action, and then we say, oh, you see that? Hold on. So we see, yeah. So right here we talk to ourselves. We take this trade. Oh, maybe a short setup, but never try not to make mistake again. You know what? Because today is a Monday. Just thinking about it, step back a little bit. The reason why we're so eager going and swing, because we still in the past. Every time we take a trade, we have to reset ourselves to the current situation. Forget about the past trade. Right? If you let the past trade still stuck in our head, then we're still in the past. We still get caught up in our eternal emotion or eternal emotion, really. Instead of look at the market objectively, let the market tell us what to do. We for ourselves because we're so traumatized for our past trade. But if we look at it, we can see that, okay, 930, it opened right at the around of the 18 open range, and also around at the 930, 830 right here. So that means the price is very equilibrium, right? Very balanced. So you have to let it break out the balance so it can have a huge move. Don't trade around that. Wait for an hour or so. That's the heel lesson we learn. But right here we engage. We fear missing out, so we engage with short right there. And let's see what's going on. Yeah, so the first 2 hour or so, first hour or so, it's very high resistance. It's a back and forth, and we blow our account. We will show the video, Yeah, so right here we thought it a reversal setup. You see that at the level breaks, that's from above and reverse. Yeah, perfect. The short right, we did short right here. Breaks, take from above, reverse. That's a type 1 reversal right here. You see that? Breaks, take from reverse. But like we say before, whenever you see the 930 like this, it not good. It's not good because that means the market is kept still 5-8 ways. It is in the equilibrium, in the balance. So let it break it out, But if you want to engage, just engage with practice account or just one side. Don't go all in. We make mistake, go all in. You see that? You see that? It's not following through at all. You see that? And now you have a different one. I think we changed long right here. Now we say, wow, test from below. Then this one gonna be reverse. Yes, but the minute you go long, you see it flip on us right away. So it's very high resistant liquidity run and very toppy. So always be careful on Monday, right? Most of the time Monday is very high liquidity run, except you see that setup on high time frame on the daily. If you see the prior Friday, the setup for a big move on Monday, then engage. Otherwise, if you see the big move on last Friday, then come on. Yeah, we got full right here also. All right, it tests from above, 1, 2, 3. So this one gonna be come down hard, but it did not. It's very strange. When we short, you see that we got flub. Yeah, so just keep in mind right there whenever you see a 9:30 candle like this. I mean, stay away from this. Wait until the markets go out of the balance so it can move. Otherwise, very hard, very high resistance clearance right there. Right, so today we have to wait for 9:30 to open. Yeah, you see that, just back and forth, back and forth. Anyway, we just want to show the trade we took and how we blow up our account. It's okay. We try to keep ourselves. No, this one we already show. The next one. Okay, so this is the one we trade at 9:30. You see that? So okay, so as soon we see retrace, we go short right there. So actually right here, we go short because we thought, okay, so it's swing, euro swing, and it trade the buy side liquidity, right? It's okay if you want to test one contract, that's fine, but I think we make a blunder that we add a big sign right here. Let's see. We make a blunder. Let's see, when we hit, we add the sign. Let's fast forward a little bit. When we add this, yeah. We're thinking about exit right there. Okay, so right here, just right here, we add the, when we see that slip down, yes, so at this moment we add what time? Yeah, 42. We add 10 more, right? That's 3 minutes before it close the candle at 9:30. That's a mistake. You know what? If you really want to short, make sure this one really break and close above this high. Otherwise, it tests from above, when it tests from below, it's gonna break this level when it come back. Yeah, so that's a huge lesson we learn. But that's how we learn, right? We make mistakes and we learn. You see that? So we are, it flipped on us, right? We thought it gonna be, but it flipped on us. Oh, beautiful mistake we made. Okay, so there's no follow through. It's supposed to follow through, but it did not. You see that? It would be nice, follow through, boom. That's what we expect. But right here, we have a chance to take profits right here and get out. But we stay back and we pay price for our a mistake. Yeah, we target move out, stop loss because we want to limit our loss. Boom, so we lost right there. So
Order filled.
we have another 1,400 before we blow up this account. So we feel a little bit pressure right there, a little bit depressed right there. So we are now driven by emotion now. So let's see what we do. Okay, so we see that a perfect short setup, right? Break, yeah, type 1 reversal. We say earlier, break, type 1 reverse. But yeah, right here you can take profit. Okay, oh sorry, right here we switch to practice account. Yeah, okay. And I want to show you the moment we blow up our account. That's the beauty. Oh yeah, did we? When did we blow up? Yeah, I think it's right here. Yes. So let's see. So right here we decided to shorten, right, when we see that, but it did not go our way. And I want to, yes, beautifully right there. Just keep this in mind.
Order
We
filled.
blow up our cow again. How beautiful it does. Yeah, let this go into our memory that we blow us out again. 2 months in a row we blow up. The first one for trading, first trading when we got our account back. Yeah, last month we did the same. So basically we embarrass ourselves and we expose ourselves so we can learn. But anyway, it is what it is. We have to accept the mistakes we make. We have to hold ourselves, accountable. We have to remain disciplined. But the one thing we learned that we should not let anything bother us like at all. We have to always stay centered and focus and unbother. Whatever happened. Just stick into a process. We will get there. It's like we plant the seed into the soil. We try to water every day. Don't worry, it will grow in due time. We don't know when we become, consistent, but we will never give up. We will keep trying. One more thing we want to share real quick related to where we are at. Yeah, so whenever we see this 930, that is very extremely be careful. But anyway, there is the statistics that we want to share with you real quick. Yeah, this is called the evolution of the profit trader. So right now we identify ourselves is right here at phase 2. Basically, we already passed the phase 1. We know what the setup we're looking for. We know how to make money. We did. We proved to ourselves. But the tricky is that how we jump from phase 2 to phase 3, which is consistent. Right now we cannot consistent. We just boom and busted. Yes, so the trick is that we need to elevate from phase 2 to phase 3. That is where we're at right now, phase 2. We boom and we bust, right? We make more money and then we lost. We blows up our account up and down. We didn't achieve consistent yet. So it takes time, it takes practice. We just be patient with the process. But anyhow, we will get there one day. We just be patient and keep, it's like we plant a seed, we keep water every day. And the seed will sprout, will grow. And one day, just in due time. That is our mindset right now. And one more thing, I think this is very beautiful quote right here. Right, the guy from Twitter. So, you are a very dangerous man or woman. if you can go through hard time, which is what we go through right now, then alone, then we can restrategize, reset, restart, reform, review, rise at nothing happened. So the idea or the mindset right here is that we blow up our account, we lost, we failed. Nothing bothers, nothing stops us. We don't let us don't let what happened to us bother us. Then we become unstoppable. Basically, we become fearless. Right now, we still have a lot of fear of blow up a car. That's the reason why exactly what happened to us. But the minute that we are able to overcome or conquer that fear, then we can jump to phase 3 really consistently there. We will get there. Right? Practice every day and cultivate self-belief, cultivates our resilience, then the magic we have now. All right, thank you for your time and interest. We really appreciate this opportunity. We do what we love, and success is coming our way day by day, little by little, in every way. We're getting better and better. Have a great night, and see you tomorrow.